Welcome to this tutorial on data objects. In the previous tutorial, we got familiarized with data point creations. Here, let's see how to create data objects. Data objects are metadata definitions of the source and target objects that are used in data flows. These objects could be database tables or views, delimited or fixed width flat files, or semi-structured files of formats like JSON, XML, Avro, etc. PurpleCube Studio provides the option to either create these structures by defining each attribute in the data object or import the structure directly by reading the schema in a database or from a schema file. It is recommended to automatically create the data object by directly importing the structure from the database or file. You can import the structure of the database table or views or file data and automatically create the corresponding data object. Let us see how this is done. We can navigate to new data object window in one of the following ways. On the navigation pane, mouse over the data object and then click import schema. Second option is on the navigation pane, click data object and then on the actions menu, click new icon and select import schema. Import data object window displays the list of data points for the selected platform. Here, let's select file data point. Choose one of them to import files. Upon selecting the data point, the window displays the properties for the data point being selected with editable fields. Choose the type of file as data file or schema file. In the group name field, either enter a new name or select a name from the existing list. And then choose the file type that best describes your data. To choose file from the remote server, click on server and choose the file to import from the list. Click on next. The window displays sample dataset from the file. If the file contains header, tick the checkbox to import field names from first line and click on next. Now the window displays the list of attributes and data type suggestions based on the sample data. You may choose to edit or save the suggestions and click on finish. Remember to save and the data object creation by import is complete. Let us now see how to create data objects manually. Navigate to the data object canvas, click on new and select new. Choose file data point from the list and select a connection. Create new data object window appears and provide a name for the data object and click OK. Navigate to the Attributes tab and click to add new columns or attributes. Add as many attributes as required with specific name, data type and length. Click on Save when done. Also choose to provide properties if required. Data objects once created can be modified by opening them from the canvas. Remember to click on Save after any modifications. These data objects are further used to create data flows to create data pipelines. This concludes our short tutorial on creation of data objects. Thanks for watching.